This is the bad news. We've received reports over the past week that even though Johnson & Johnson was supposed to be ready to start delivering these doses as soon as the EU approved, that may not happen. We received reports that Johnson & Johnson may not be able to actually deliver these doses to the EU until at least mid-February and possibly not until May. And that has a lot of people here quite angry. I talked to a group of German MEPs yesterday who say they're receiving disturbingly familiar signals from Johnson & Johnson that they were receiving from AstraZeneca back in January, right before that vaccine was approved. It was the same story there. AstraZeneca was supposed to start delivering immediately to the EU after approval. They were supposed to be getting ready, but when the time came, those doses didn't come, and they're still falling short. And the German MEPs I talked to are particularly angry because Johnson & Johnson seems to be focusing its delivery on the United States. So this is turning into a similar concern where the country where the pharma company is based, in AstraZeneca's case, the UK, in Johnson & Johnson's case, the US, seems to be getting priority access to the vaccine at the expense of Europeans. So Peter Liese, the EPP's head for health, said yesterday he wants the EU to get tough with Joe Biden. The United States still has an export ban on all vaccines. Trump put that in place, and Biden has not rescinded it. He wants the EU to have a meeting with both Johnson & Johnson and Biden and say, stop this export ban. There's particular concern because Johnson & Johnson's contract with the EU stipulates that some of the vaccines, once they're made here in the EU, they have to cross the Atlantic to be put in vials in the United States before being brought back to Europe. Liese said he hasn't received any explanation from the company about why that's necessary. It seems a little strange. And also there's concern that the vaccines will get caught up in that U.S. export ban and never make their way back to Europe. So this is turning into a similar kind of geopolitical proxy battle that we already have, unfortunately, with AstraZeneca and the UK. We could see that emerging with Johnson & Johnson and the United States.